Hello friends, welcome to Aisha's Art. Today we'll be doing this painting. This painting is done on a 4-inch round MDF board. I would always recommend you to gesso the board. I've done 2 coats of gesso on this board, and this will give you actually a very smooth surface to work on. Let's start sketching. I've done a very rough sketch of how I want the mountains to be. And when you're doing painting on an MDF board, I would always recommend you to go for 2 or 3 coats, because if you see the sky there, you can see the white surface coming through, and it will not be like exactly a very smooth the colors will not be very smooth, and it will be like seen through, the background will be seen through. So go for 2 or 3 coats. As we discussed in our previous videos, always block your darker tones, then go for the mid-tone and then the lighter tone. That is how the acrylic works, from the dark to light. So we'll just go through the dark, mid-tones and light tones over and over again until we find the perfect shade. Just keep doing it until you see, until you feel that your painting is much better, or it is like almost done. So I'm just going over and over from dark to light to dark. I would say when you're doing the mountains, you just need to make sure, because most of the time I've seen that whenever someone is doing mountain, they try to make a sharp, straight lines. There's never a straight line when you're doing organic shapes, like especially the nature. There's never a straight line there. So always try not to make a straight line when you're doing the mountains. There is they are surface, there are different surface that we have, the different planes that we have. So try to get those planes, and then you will see that there will be a lot of difference in your painting. Where you have a depth, where you have a cut in that mountain, consider that as a different plane. So just try to use that, or try to paint that similarly in the painting, so that way you will see the ups and downs of the painting rather than making the painting go flat. So after we finish this, I will be using a dry brush technique to make the snow. Okay, here is a finished painting, and I wanted to do a raisin on this painting, because I'll be using this painting as a fridge magnet, or I can use it on the easel. So let's get attaching the magnet here. I'm using a hardware glue, and here is the finished painting without the raisin, and how it looks on the easel without the raisin. This is without the raisin, and as I pour the raisin, this is how it looks. I hope you like the painting. Thanks for watching.